Hello and welcome back to our channel where we explore the world of agriculture and farming. In today's video, we are going to learn and know about horticulture is the science and art of growing fruits, vegetables, flowers and ornamental plants. Horticulture is a fascinating field that has been around for thousands of years and it plays a vital role in our everyday lives. So, let's dive into the world of horticulture. Horticulture is a diverse field that encompasses everything from growing food crops to designing and maintaining public gardens. It includes a wide range of practices including plant propagation, soil management, pest control and pruning. One of the most important aspects of horticulture is plant propagation. This involves creating a new plants from existing ones either through seed propagation or vegetative propagation. In seed propagation, plants are grown from seeds, while in a vegetative propagation, plants are grown from cuttings or other plant parts. And another key area of horticulture is soil management. Good soil is essential for healthy plant growth, and horticulturists use a range of techniques to improve the soil quality, including adding organic matter, adjusting the pH levels, and controlling soil erosion. Pest control is also a major concern in horticulture. Pests such as insect diseases and weeds can have a devastating impact on crops and plants, and the horticulturists use a variety of techniques to manage these problems, including the crop rotation, biological controls, and the chemical pesticides. Horticulture is also important for beautifying our world. Public gardens, parks, and green spaces are designed and maintained by horticulturists to create visually appealing environments that provide a range of benefits from improving air quality to promoting mental well-being. In conclusion, horticulture is a fascinating field that plays a critical role in our everyday lives, whether it's a growing food crops, designing public gardens, or managing pests and diseases. Horticulturists are at the forefront of creating and maintaining the plants and landscapes that make our world a better place. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the more interesting videos on agriculture sector. See you in the next video. Until then, bye-bye.